We're headed to Moab.
Trail, or maybe a quarter of the way on the trail. We haven't stopped for lunch yet.
You said a quarter of the way on the trail, like
okay,
an hour
we're
ago.
Probably half though. It's a pretty long trail. It's pretty big.
Way more obstacles than I remember for Flatiron Mesa.
Yeah, it's been pretty hard, pretty fun. We took the door tops off because it's pretty warm. I had the AC on.
Yeah, I love having half doors.
Yeah, and see the tops are just right there in the back. So if it rains, we can just pop them back on. TJ Live, TJ Half Life.
Today we are going to go down memory lane.
We come with this group a lot. This is our 5th year in a row, 6th year in a row.
I think it's our 6th year in a row.
But the first 2 years, we didn't have a Jeep.
Oh, that's right. We were backseat riders.
With her dad in there, he had a red TJ and then a buggy TJ, and we rode 1 year in both.
Yeah, that's right.
And then I said, that's a lot of fun. I want to drive. I'm a really big fan of driving.
Look, I want to drive, okay?
And so we bought this Jeep in 2016.
And I am not, and that's why I record.
5 years ago, September 2016.
Oh, yeah.
We're October 2021. So that's been a fun journey, having an off-road vehicle. We bought this mostly stock. The only thing that it had on it was the front bumper with the winch.
Oh, that's right. And it was on upside down? Backward?
The front bumper, which is no longer on, I sold it to someone, was, mounted upside down. Oh.
Missing someone behind us.
Yeah, but now that we've been coming for a lot of years, it's a lot of fun. It's kind of coming to see old friends. They're a nice, low-stress group. They don't have any kids, they don't have any dogs, and so we come here and it's nice. It's a nice time.
They all have their own thing figured out. They've all been camping a million times, and they've all been to Moab a ton of times, so it's just kind of like routine. Low stress is really the best way to put it.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's been a nice day so far.
But I like the crazy days too, don't get me wrong. I want to have a little bit of both.
Yeah, like we have a trail video from 21 Road recently where we went out with a bunch of buggies, and that was like high adrenaline, high stress.
But so
going
fun.
Fast, yeah, but it was way fun.
Yeah.
But this is just a lot more scenic, even on the harder trails. Pretty good. We'll see you at lunch, viewers. Thanks for watching.
Hey. So we stopped for lunch here. Lovely lookout area. We'll make sure that we put up a map or something to show you because it's kind of off the side of the trail, but it's a really good spot. Not a ton of shade, I'm going to be honest, but around this time of year you don't really need it. It's kind of been overcast for eating lunch, which has been nice. That's really it. I think we're at about halfway through the trail, but I'm not very good with distances. We know that. I figured that you would put a map like
On the red, and the blue is the whole trail. We skipped a little part.
I bet that you'll just put a map in there. So this is kind of the lead up. It looks like it's kind of been washed out to Easter Egg Hill, which is here. Gotten a bit harder since the last time. I think it was a couple years ago.
Yeah, so that rock used to be here, I believe.
Trying to avoid having a tire. I don't know where I was going with that.
Beautiful. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
What you doing over there? There you go, Easter Egg Hill. We made it to the Intimidator. I'm not sure if you can hear the peanut section back here.
We're getting
The peanut gallery back there. They all maybe need a change of pants and they're not even driving, so it's fine.
got pictures of the peanut gallery.
Oh, yes, laughing all. That didn't even look scary.
Roll it up. Oh, look here. Here we are, Kim.
Who said that?
That's the sound of the brakes.
That's the sound of the police.
Sound of the police. Where's the old Wildcat?
Back at camp, a long ass drive to camp so far away from everything. And I am hungry. Oh yeah, we had some locker concerns today. No, we'll figure it out.
No, maybe not.
Shh, you don't say that.
That's just the top.
What are you eating over there?
Jello shots? It's pretty good. That's so strong. Very sweet and good like Jello.
He said,
Also very
I told him, I
much like
said,
liquor.
I think he put like a cup, I think he put like 2 cups of tequila in it.
I can tell.
Well, wait. That's a nice way to start my recording.
Whiskey.
The big old burr. We've basically taken over my parents' trailer. This,
Are these cookies feeding?
yeah, cookies for you. So this is basically what we do when we come to my parents' trailer. Bring all of our stuff, take over. This is our bed for the night. Obviously pulls out. We put all of our cooler stuff in their fridge, put all of our ice packs in their freezer, and we repay them with our smiling faces and by eating all of their treats and snacks. We're so nice. Look at this darling sweater. I'm coming right now. Kevin was doing his shots. That's how I'll repay my mom, with the tissues.
That whole area up there is fun. The whole mashed potatoes area, whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see that look?
Heavier. It's getting worse by the minute. It's a thing. 10 pounds heavier. Come on. Can I do it on the slider, you think?